Hey YouTube, it's MikeyJosh64, and me and my dad just made a video, and it's me driving my dad's big truck, so hope you enjoy. Hello, my name is Josh Hyland, and I'm gonna drive my dad's big truck. Okay, just
steer straight.
I'm trying, Dad.
Just watch out for that car.
Dad.
Just watch where you're steering.
Dad, I'm scared, Dad.
Boo, you're doing okay.
Stop yelling at me!
What? In case there's cars coming.
I know. Oh, there's a biker. Ah, that's a biker.
Stay. Okay, watch out for that biker. Okay.
Can I open my door?
No, you can't open your door.
Alright.
No, there's a truck on your side there. Watch where you're going. There's a bike.
I know.
U-Haul truck there. What? Watch out for that bike.
Stop yelling at me or I can't steer.
Okay, you're doing okay. Okay, watch out for that.
I'm sorry. Okay, all right.
Stay between the bridge.
Okay.
You're okay.
It's Cockburn Creek.
I go with it, but okay, all right.
Okay.
Okay, we got a big corner.
Alright, okay.
Watch for the corner.
Okay. Okay. Yeah.
Straighten out.
Alright.
Okay, good job.
Alright.
Okay, Boo.
Yeah.
Watch where you're going.
I'm trying, Dad.
Watch where you're going.
Dad.
Boo.
Dad.
Watch where you're going.
Dad, I'm trying.
Okay, just watch. Okay, careful. Watch. Stay off the side.
I'm so scared, Dad. Dad.
Okay, don't get too close.
Okay.
Watch your side.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
Oh, here comes car.
Oh no.
Careful.
I'm scared.
Careful.
I'm scared.
All right. You doing all right?
Okay.
Hey, car. Okay, big corner.
It's a car. It's a truck on the corner. It's a truck on the corner.
Steer right.
Oh, okay. It's another biker. It's another biker.
Okay.
Oh no.
Good job.
Okay.
Good job.
Thank you. Dad, there's a biker. There's a biker, Dad. Dad, there's a biker. Dad, it's a biker. Dad, it's a biker. Well, Dad, how was that?
Wasn't too bad, bud.
Okay.